Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the chapter Evolution of Computers. Early calculating devices. Human beings have felt the need for calculations for a long time. However, early calculating devices were quite different from the modern ones. The early devices were different from the ones that we use today. Here is a brief history of these devices. So the first device was abacus. The first one was abacus. The abacus is believed to be the first calculating device. The earliest reference to abacus dates back to 2700 to 2300 BCE in the Mesopotamian civilization. So the first reference or the earliest reference of abacus dates back to this era, that is 2700 BCE to 2300 BC, and it was found that it was first used in Mesopotamian civilization. Simple calculations such as addition and subtraction could be performed using the abacus. So we could do these two operations, addition and subtraction, using abacus. It is still in use in many countries, especially in countries of Asia and Africa. So it is still in use in different parts of the world, especially Asia and Africa. The abacus is used to teach children about place values in the numbering system, and also for teaching arithmetic operation to visually challenged. So abacus is used to teach the blind students. By this visually challenged, we means blind students. So it is used to teach the blind students. Okay. Learning calculations using abacus is believed to improve concentration and memorization skills. These are two very important advantages of using abacus. It is believed that if we learn calculations using abacus, then it will improve our concentration as well as memorization skills. Then comes Napier bones. In 1616, so John Napier made a calculating device and called it Napier's bones. So this device was made by John Napier and he named it as Napier bones. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division could be performed using this device. The device was so named because it had numbers carved on bones or strips of wood. So the name was Napier's bone. Napier was because of the name of the scientist Sir John Napier, and bones was because the numbers were carved on bones or strips of woods. After this came the Pascaline. The Pascaline was the first mechanical calculator. So the first mechanical calculator was Pascaline, and it was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1641. It consisted of a rectangular box, as you can see here. So this is a Pascaline. So this is a Pascaline. It consisted of a rectangular box with 8 movable wheels. You can see the wheels here. So these are the wheels. Okay. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers up to hundreds and thousands. So it performed the same operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, just like this Napier bones, but the numbers could range up to hundreds and thousands. After that came the difference engine. In the 19th century, Charles Babbage invented the first mechanical computer. It was called the difference engine. So this is a difference engine, and it is believed to be the first mechanical computer. It was invented by Charles Babbage in the 19th century. Analytical engine. Charles Babbage also invented the first general purpose computer known as the analytical engine, which is shown in this figure. So this is our analytical engine. The analytical engines had the same basic elements as modern computer: input, output, and memory devices. And therefore, Charles Babbage is known as the father of modern computer. So this is very important. Who is the father of modern computer? That is Charles Babbage.